We're gonna get this blade off of here. I'm gonna let it warm up for about a half an hour. Honestly, I haven't used it in quite a while. And we're gonna get this blade off and we're gonna put the land plane on. We got the rear blade off. I gotta fix this driveway. This is the land plane you may have seen in all my other videos. This is the land plane by ABI Attachments. It's quick hitch compatible, which I really like. That's the quick hitch I'm gonna put on right now. I gotta go get the pins. They're in the hay barn right now. And then we're gonna get this land plane on and get that driveway fixed up. But first, it's freezing outside and I gotta get a fire started. Never start fires with gasoline. Super dangerous. I got the scarifiers on the first level here, which I wanted to do for the first round. And now I'm gonna raise them completely up. I don't wanna pick up any more dirt. So what I do is I take these and I put them upside down like this. So now they're completely out of the dirt and the rocks. But it is what it is. I'm gonna get a load of more rock later on. So again, this is the 5-foot land plane by ABI Attachments. Pause the screen if you want. It's a 5-foot land plane, fits on the John Deere 2210. Got 5 scarifiers, 3 levels for the scarifier. It's got 2 blades here, which is really nice. You can go forward and backward. But yeah, I love this thing. And the greatest thing, it's quick hitch compatible. This is a quick hitch in case you don't know. Here's a nice close-up shot on what the scarifier looks like when it's not attached to the land plane. If you're into real work, real tools, and real farm life, check out the playlists on the channel. Everything's organized so you can jump right into what you like. Drop a comment, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a new episode or live stream. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.